Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to reset the Linksys RE6800 Wi-Fi extender to its factory settings. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues or preparing to reconfigure the extender, resetting it is a simple process. Follow along as we show you how to locate the reset button, perform the reset, and set up the extender again from scratch. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Linksys RE6800. Resetting the Linksys RE6800 extender is often necessary to resolve issues like connectivity problems, slow performance, or incorrect settings. Over time, network configurations or software glitches can disrupt the device's functionality. By resetting the extender to its factory settings, you clear any faulty configurations or errors, allowing you to set it up again with a fresh start. So let's start the reset process. First of all, ensure the RE6800 is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. Wait for the indicator light to stabilize, usually around 1 to 2 minutes. Now find the reset button on the Linksys RE6800 extender. The reset button is typically a small, recessed button on the side or bottom of the extender. You may need a paperclip or pin to press it. Use the paperclip or pin to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. You will notice the extender's light start blinking, indicating that the reset process has started. After releasing the button, the extender will reboot. This can take a few minutes. Once it's done, the light will either blink or stabilize, depending on its readiness to be set up again. So now Linksys RE6800 extender reset process is complete. Note: once the Linksys RE6800 Wi-Fi range extender has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by Linksys default IP address or web address. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.